Ever seen a yacht that flies? Meet the Air Yacht V2, where sky meets sea in the most luxurious way imaginable. This futuristic hybrid isn't just built to impress, it's designed to redefine travel. Created by Lazzarini Design Studio, the Air Yacht V2 blends the grace of an airship with the power and style of a superyacht. Twin helium-filled balloons lifted into the sky, while its sleek hull glides over water with ease. Inside, you're treated to spacious living areas, high-end tech, and a design that screams elegance. It's more than transportation. It's a floating mansion, whether you're cruising above the clouds or skimming across the waves. And while the price remains a mystery, one thing's clear. This isn't for the average traveler. It's for those who live beyond limits and crave the next frontier in luxury. Meet the Gadget X5, the aircraft that takes off like a helicopter and flies like a jet. Built by Horizon Aircraft, this hybrid electric marvel redefines what's possible in the skies. With vertical takeoff and landing, it lifts off effortlessly from tight spaces, no runway needed. Its cutting-edge fan and wing system lets the wings shift mid-flight, spread wide to lift, snap shut to soar. Sleek enough to turn heads, yet strong enough to carry one pilot and 4 passengers, the Gadget X5 isn't just about style. It's built for real-world use. A pusher propeller powers it forward with precision. Imagine a flying machine that takes off like a helicopter but cruises like a plane without the sky-high costs. Meet Pegasus by Arc Aero Systems, a game-changing leap in urban air travel. Born in the UK, this innovative aircraft doesn't need a runway. Thanks to its vertical jump takeoff and no-roll landing system, Pegasus lifts off and touches down almost anywhere. It's fast, efficient, and built for the future. With a range of 610 kilometers and a cruising speed of 160 kilometers per hour at 7,000 feet, it covers serious ground with ease. Low running costs and high adaptability make it a smart alternative to traditional helicopters. Flying just took a futuristic leap. Meet the world's first manned electric aircraft powered by liquid hydrogen. This isn't just a sleek prototype. It's the H2Fly HY4, a game changer built by German innovators aiming to reshape the skies. Unlike standard models using gaseous hydrogen, this one runs on cryogenically stored liquid hydrogen, boosting its range to a remarkable of 500 kilometers, all without a single emission. Meet the Hexa by Lift Aircraft, an electric, multi-rotor flying machine designed for anyone curious about personal aviation. With 18 independent rotors, it offers unmatched stability and safety in the air. No complicated controls, no pilot training, just hop in and lift off. Flight sessions are available for around $250, making sky-high experiences more accessible than ever. Whether you're chasing a once-in-a-lifetime thrill or eyeing the skies regularly, Lyft has options for you. And for the die-hard enthusiasts, a limited number of Hexa units have already been sold for $495,000. Ever dreamed of taking off from land or water in a plane that feels more like a sports car? Meet the Icon A5, a sleek, amphibious aircraft built for adventure. This isn't just about flying, it's about freedom. With its foldable wings, lightweight carbon body, and smooth controls, the Icon A5 makes piloting feel effortless, even for beginners. Its standout safety features, like a spin-resistant airframe and a built-in parachute system, mean you can enjoy the skies with confidence. Designed for thrill seekers and explorers, it's perfect for scenic flights, lakeside landings, or simply cruising above it all. Imagine skipping traffic by flying over it in silence. Joby Aviation is building something straight out of the future, an all-electric air taxi with vertical takeoff and landing. Powered by 6 quiet electric motors, this sleek aircraft lifts straight into the sky and lands wherever space allows. No runway, no noise, just fast, smooth travel. Designed for packed cities and tight schedules, it's built to save time and reduce the daily grind of commuting. Its whisper-quiet design means it won't disrupt neighborhoods, while its electric engine keeps emissions low and efficiency high. Introducing the Nalwa 5X eVTOL aircraft, the future of air travel is here. Say goodbye to traffic and hello to the skies with the Nalwa 5X, a groundbreaking electric vertical takeoff and landing eVTOL aircraft that redefines how we think about travel. Designed by the innovative Indian startup NWA Aero, this aircraft is set to change the game for both passengers and cargo. Equipped with 12 tiltable electric duct fans, the Nawa 5X reaches speeds up to 249 miles per hour and can soar to altitudes of 2,000 meters. With an extra 15-minute safety buffer, it can operate remotely or independently. Ever dreamed of flying without a pilot's license? Meet Blackfly, a sleek electric aircraft that brings that dream to life. This futuristic flyer looks like something out of a sci-fi film. With a bubble-shaped cockpit and wings lined with 8 electric propellers, it blends the best of planes and helicopters. You can take off vertically, glide smoothly, and land with precision, all without needing a runway. Because it's classified as an ultralight aircraft, no license is required. That means more people can experience the freedom of flight, no strings attached. Built with patented propulsion tech and powerful motors packed into a lightweight frame, Blackfly is designed for both performance and safety. It even includes a return home function and an optional emergency parachute system. Meet the Supernal SA2, the future of urban air travel. Imagine zipping through the skies, bypassing traffic, and getting to your destination faster than ever. The Supernal SA2, created by Hyundai's innovative subsidiary, is not just a flying vehicle. It's a game changer for transportation. With its sleek design, the SA2 can comfortably seat 5, including the pilot, and is built for short flights with a range of 25 to 40 miles and cruising at speeds up to 120 miles per hour at 1,500 feet. What sets it apart? 8 tilting rotors and distributed electric propulsion make the SA2 one of the most advanced flying taxis on the market. It's designed to integrate seamlessly with existing transit systems, offering a greener alternative to ground travel. What if the future of transport didn't roll on wheels, but floated in the sky? Meet the Varolift airship, a bold leap beyond old-school blimps. Traditional airships are massive, slow, and chained to special runways. But this next-gen concept flips the script with a game-changing twist: variable buoyancy control. Using a patented system of buoyancy units, this airship adjusts its lift. No engines, no runway needed. That means it can take off and land vertically. Ever dreamed of flying your own bike? Meet the UDX Airwolf, a 2-seat hoverbike built for vertical takeoff and landing and straight out of the future. This machine doesn't just hover, it soars, hitting speeds of 230 kilometers per hour and going from 0 to 100 in just 3 seconds. The Airwolf is pure adrenaline in the sky. It can fly for up to 25 minutes, covering 66 kilometers on a single charge, and carry up to 150 kilograms, all while looking like it belongs in a sci-fi movie. But it's not just built for thrill seekers. With cargo potential and real-world utility, the Airwolf could reshape transport and logistics as we know it. Flying through cities without noise or emissions? The future just landed with the Vertical Aerospace VX4. This all-electric aircraft takes off and lands vertically, skipping the runway and gliding straight into the skies. Built for zero-emission urban travel, it's designed to cut through crowded cities without adding to pollution or the noise. Inside, the cabin feels more like a lounge than a vehicle. Spacious seats, ample storage. It's comfort without compromise. And thanks to its lightweight carbon fiber tilt rotors, the VX4 delivers smooth, responsive control in the air. The skies above your city are about to become your new highway. Meet the Volocopter Velocity, an all-electric aircraft with 18 rotors that takes off and lands straight up like a helicopter, but with the silence and smoothness of a drone. Designed for urban skies, it's not just futuristic, it's functional. With over 2,000 test flights under its belt, this air taxi is ready to take on city traffic from above. Built with layered safety systems and whisper-quiet flight tech, it's made to glide over rooftops without disturbing the streets below. Ever dreamed of lifting off like a drone? The ZG-1 turns that dream into reality. This electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, crafted by Zero Gravity Industries, is rewriting the rules of personal flight. Designed as a sleek multicopter, the ZG-1 seats 2 people and flies autonomously so anyone can take to the skies with ease. Its rounded body and panoramic windows give you a stunning 360-degree view, while inside, the ultra-comfortable seats and smart armrests ensure every trip feels effortless. 6 electric motors and battery-powered propellers give it up to 25 minutes of flight time, covering 30 kilometers at a cruising speed of 75 kilometers per hour. Safety isn't an afterthought, it's built in. Imagine an aircraft that takes off like a drone, but flies like a plane. Meet the Vision VTOL quadcopter, the future of aviation in action. Vision ditches long runways with its vertical takeoff system, opening skies to cities, mountains, and beyond. Powered by a cutting-edge hybrid engine, it blends electric and combustion tech for incredible range and unbeatable efficiency. More than just sleek looks, every rotor and curve is designed for speed, lift, and seamless mid-air transition. The onboard AI controls every move, keeping flights smooth, fast, and stable, even in tough conditions. Built from ultralight composites, Vision cuts through the air with less drag and more endurance. Its smart avionics suite handles navigation, obstacle dodging, and real-time route changes, giving pilots or autonomous systems total command. Need flexibility? The modular bay snaps in payloads from medical kits to surveillance gear in minutes. Redundant safety systems, encrypted communications, and predictive maintenance tech keep missions secure and smooth. Imagine a flying machine that changes its shape mid-air, faster, smarter, and more adaptable than anything you've seen before. At Atera Dynamics, we're rewriting the rules of flight. We created the XP4 Transwing, a breakthrough aircraft with a patented design that folds its wings during flight. This lets it switch effortlessly between rotorcraft and fixed-wing modes, giving it the agility of a helicopter and the speed and range of a traditional airplane. Thanks to this unique transformation, the Transwing takes off and lands vertically in tight spaces. But once airborne, it stretches its wings to cruise farther and faster than other aircraft in its class. It's compact when you need control, expansive when you need efficiency, all in a single, seamless motion. This innovation isn't just about better flying. It's about opening new possibilities for transport, emergency response, cargo delivery, and future cityscapes. Advanced air mobility could reshape how we connect, move, and live. A plane that takes off like a helicopter and cruises like a jet, that future just became real. XTI Aerospace has officially launched a powerful new force born from the merger of XTI Aircraft and Pixin Aerospace. At the center of it all is the Trifan 600, a cutting-edge vertical lift crossover airplane that redefines what private air travel can be. It's built for versatility, lifting off vertically, then transitioning to high-speed jet flight. That means no more long runway waits or limited landing zones. Just smooth, fast, point-to-point travel like never before. This merger doesn't just combine two companies. It brings together innovation, engineering, and vision to shake up the aerospace game. With its debut on the NASDAQ under the symbol XTA on March 13, 2024, XTI Aerospace isn't just joining the market, it's aiming to transform it. Ace VTOL Slipstream Elite, the next frontier in business aviation. This cutting-edge aircraft is a game-changer, designed with advanced aerodynamics and innovative technology to redefine air travel. With its sleek lifting body and slipstream airflow, the Slipstream Elite maximizes flight efficiency, offering smooth transitions from low-speed control to high-speed performance. It can reach speeds up to 220 miles per hour, 354 kilometers per hour, and travel up to 400 kilometers on a single charge, setting a new benchmark for speed and range in its class. What truly sets this aircraft apart is its intelligent flight system. Powered by low Earth orbit satellites, blockchain technology, and AI flight management, it can be remotely operated from anywhere in the world. The virtual reality pilot interface adds an extra layer of ease. Meet the Ace VTOL Trinity, the electric aircraft built to change everything about how we move. Designed with versatility in mind, the Trinity adapts to cargo transport, passenger travel, emergency medical services, and aerial inspections, all in one sleek machine. Its multifunction airframe, high-performance engine, and next-gen flight management system deliver speed, power, and total control. Step inside and you'll find a spacious cabin with ergonomic seating, climate control, and cutting-edge AR entertainment. It's even the first electric VTOL designed to welcome wheelchairs, making the future of air travel truly accessible to all. From rapid deliveries to life-saving missions, the Trinity isn't just another aircraft, it's rewriting the rules of the sky. Commercial production takes off in 2026. What if you could fly a drone from inside it? Meet the world's first manned aerobatic racing drone, a jaw-dropping leap in aerial technology. Built not just to fly, but to twist, flip, and roll with a human on board, it turns the thrill of racing into a full-body experience. Unlike regular racing drones, this beast carries a pilot through gravity-defying stunts, blurring the line between sport and skybound show. And here's the twist. It can be controlled either from inside the cockpit or remotely, combining the best of drone precision and aircraft performance. Sure, with a price tag over $1 million, it's not landing in your backyard anytime soon. But this machine isn't about mass production. It's about pushing the limits. In a world chasing speed, this drone dares to ask, why not fly like a fighter jet? Ever imagined calling a flying car like a rideshare? Meet the Cadillac Halo, GM's bold leap into the future of personal travel. Unveiled at CES, the Halo is more than just a flying car. It's a sleek, single-passenger air taxi that looks like a cross between a high-tech drone and a luxury helicopter. Powered by a 90-kilowatt motor, it can soar through the sky at speeds up to 56 miles per hour, quietly, cleanly, and autonomously. But here's where it really gets smart. Ever seen a flying machine that looks straight out of a spy movie? Meet the Blackbird, a sleek, all-electric aircraft built for the skies and the spotlight. This personal flyer uses advanced tilt rotor tech for smooth vertical takeoffs and high-speed cruising up to 120 kilometers per hour. It's compact, powerful, and wrapped in a carbon fiber shell that's both aerodynamic and protective. Inside, a minimalist cockpit puts you in control with a fly-by-wire system so intuitive it feels like a video game. With a range of up to 100 kilometers, it's perfect for solo trips over cities or remote escapes off the grid. Ever imagined calling a flying car like a rideshare? Meet the Cadillac Halo, GM's bold leap into the future of personal travel. Unveiled at CES, the Halo is more than just a flying car. It's a sleek, single-passenger air taxi that looks like a cross between a high-tech drone and a luxury helicopter. Powered by a 90-kilowatt motor, it can soar through the sky at speeds up to 56 miles per hour, quietly, cleanly, and autonomously. But here's where it really gets smart. Once the Halo lands, a self-driving shuttle takes over, completing the last part of your journey on the ground. Meet the SE-01, a humanoid robot that's walking straight into the future. While Tesla's Optimus is still in the workshop, this $500,000 marvel from Chinese startup Engine AI is already making moves. Their plan? Release over 1,000 units by 2025, beating some of the world's biggest players to the punch. The SE-01 doesn't just mimic movement, it walks like us, hitting speeds up to 2 meters per second. It runs fully on electricity with a 2-hour charge time and a quick battery swap option that keeps things moving without long waits. Inside, it's powered by a brain built on NVIDIA and Intel chips, using AI prompts to handle tasks smarter, faster, and more intuitively. Imagine soaring above city traffic in a whisper-quiet, all-electric aircraft. Eve Air Mobility is making that future real. Born from Brazil's aviation giant Embraer, Eve is leading the charge with its sleek electric vertical takeoff and landing (eVTOL) vehicles designed for safe, quiet, and accessible urban travel. Ready to launch with pilots and built for future autonomous flights, Eve's innovation is more than just cutting-edge aircraft. It's a full ecosystem. They're building everything from air traffic solutions to operational services, aiming to redefine the way cities move. Backed by over 50 years of aerospace expertise, Eve isn't just imagining the future. They're engineering it, one flight at a time. In a world craving faster, cleaner connections, Eve is shaping a sky where commuting feels effortless. This isn't just air travel, it's the Cadillac of flying cars. Get ready. What if your personal aircraft didn't just take off, but could glide you to safety, even in total failure? Meet the EVL hang glider, where electric flight meets real-world safety. This isn't your average eVTOL. Instead of depending entirely on spinning rotors, it features a flexible Rogallo wing, a high-lift design that naturally reduces power use and provides built-in emergency gliding. That means better efficiency, longer flight times, and crucially, a way down that doesn't rely on hope. With just 4 strategically placed motors, it lifts smoothly, maintains control, and stays stable midair. Ever dreamed of driving and flying in the same ride? Meet the 2C2C, a flying car that feels like it's straight out of a superhero movie. Sleek, futuristic, and packed with foldable propellers, the 2C2C switches from street cruiser to airborne traveler in seconds. Its carbon fiber frame keeps it light and strong, while the electric propulsion system makes every ride smooth, quiet, and eco-friendly. Designed for tight urban spaces, it lifts off vertically, perfect for dodging traffic or making a quick escape from the city. On the ground, it handles like a luxury car. In the sky, it glides effortlessly like a drone. With a flight range between 250 to 300 kilometers, the 2C2C isn't just an idea. It's a giant leap toward a future where your daily commute could mean flying over it all. The road ahead isn't just on the ground anymore. It's in the sky. Soar above the clouds, literally, with New Zealand's first solar-powered stratospheric drone. Introducing the Kia Atmos Mk1, a lightweight powerhouse with a 12.5-meter wingspan that can launch straight from a car roof. Built for endurance, it currently flies for 16 hours straight, and future upgrades aim for months in the sky. At 15 kilometers up, it cruises higher than commercial jets. Designed with aerial photography in mind, it offers a smarter, more affordable alternative to helicopters and manned flights. Whether you're mapping landscapes, tracking wildlife, or filming from impossible angles, this drone makes it easier and cheaper than ever before. Ever dreamed of flying something that feels more like a spacecraft than an aircraft? Meet the Orb Nomad, a sleek, spherical aerial vehicle that looks like it's straight out of the future. Crafted with precision and encased in a carbon composite shell, the Nomad isn't just built to fly, it's built to turn heads. Its silent vertical lift comes from hidden electric duct fans, letting it take off without runways or wings. The result? Smooth, efficient flight with zero noise pollution. Imagine soaring over city streets in a sleek, silent aircraft that takes off like a helicopter and flies like a jet. Meet the Pantala Concept H from Pontuo Aviation, a 5-seat electric flying machine built for the future of urban travel. With a cutting-edge canard tilt-wing design and 22 ducted fans tucked neatly into its wings, it lifts off vertically and glides forward smoothly, all while keeping noise to a minimum. This futuristic flyer isn't just about style, it delivers serious performance too. It can hit speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour and cover up to 250 kilometers on a single charge, making quick city hops or emergency missions faster and easier than ever. Imagine skipping traffic forever. With one push, your car lifts off the ground and takes flight. Meet the Pegasus E, the hybrid marvel built for both the streets and the skies. With its carbon fiber body and sci-fi-worthy design, the Pegasus E turns heads before it even leaves the ground. Sleek air intakes, aerodynamic curves, and retractable rotors let it shift from driving to flying in seconds. In the air, it cruises at speeds up to 132 kilometers per hour and covers a range of 480 kilometers, no runway needed. And when you're done soaring, it parks neatly in a standard garage, ready for your next trip. Fully certified for flight, the Pegasus E isn't just a dream. It's here, and it's changing everything. It's freedom from traffic. Imagine flying quietly across the skies in a sleek, hybrid aircraft. This is the future Plana hybrid air mobility promises. Born from the vision of a former Hyundai aviation leader, this Korean startup is changing air travel with a bold new design. The Plana Hybrid EV can carry 1 pilot and up to 6 passengers, covering an impressive 500 kilometers on a single flight. Its futuristic body features a smooth, extended fuselage, wide upper wing, and front canards for better balance and efficiency. Powering this next-gen aircraft are large, tilting 5-blade electric propellers that deliver full vector thrust, making flights smoother, quieter, and more comfortable than ever before. Every detail, from accessibility to passenger comfort, has been carefully crafted. Plana plans to launch its first demonstration model by 2024 and aims for full certification and production by 2028. Air travel is about to get quieter, greener, and closer than you ever imagined. Imagine skipping traffic and soaring straight from your doorstep. Meet the Ray Vi, the future of personal air travel. This sleek 5-seater VTOL, vertical takeoff and landing aircraft, is crafted for ultimate convenience, carrying 4 passengers and 1 pilot with ease. Powered by 4 wing fans and 2 vectoring tail-mounted duct fans, it lifts off vertically, making tight spaces no obstacle. Designed for long-range trips, the Ray V isn't just another aircraft. It's a door-to-door flying solution built for a new era of transportation. Forget terminals and delays. This is freedom reimagined. A hotel in space? It's happening, and sooner than you think. Vast Haven 1 is the world's first commercial space station, launching in 2025. Travelers will hitch a ride aboard SpaceX's Crew Dragon ships to reach this orbital getaway. Compact but cutting edge, Haven 1 offers a 45 cubic meter living space for 4 crew members. Inside, a science lab, recreation zone, gym, and more, all designed with a warm, wood-inspired interior that makes space feel like home. Its modular build means more rooms can be added later, making it expandable for future missions. And thanks to SpaceX's Starlink, communication back to Earth stays strong and steady. It's not just a station, it's a new chapter in off-Earth living. Space isn't distant anymore. It's becoming your next destination.